guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Weeko. Okay ba sa inyo yung new setup natin? Parang professional talaga. Thank you, Sans, kasi in-help niya ako ngayon mag-film ng video. Follow him on Instagram. It's @paulosantos. So, for today's video, isang makeup tutorial yung gagawin ko. And I will try to do an ABG makeup look. Pwede pa ba ako humabol? Parang nahuli na ako sa trending. Pero sana panoorin nyo pa din. And yun. So, kung gusto nyo makita kung paano ko ita-transform yung sarili ko, just keep on watching. So, ipa-prime ko muna yung face ko using this Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. Ay, wala na pala to. Ay, talsi. To cover my dark spots and pimples, i-cover natin yan using this Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Under Eye Concealer. Under eye lang pala. Pero gagawin ko pa rin siyang pang-cover ng pimples kasi ang ganda ng coverage nito. To brighten up my eyes, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this is in the shade Vanilla. So I'm going to set it using this Mercier translucent setting powder. To prime my eyes, I'm going to use the same concealer na nilagay ko dito sa eye bags ko, yung Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Vanilla. So, for the base, ito yung ginamit kong palette from Maybelline, and yung shade na ginamit ko is yung pangatlo. Hindi ko alam kung anong name nitong shade, pero yan siya. So, for my crease, ito yung ginamit kong palette from Modern Renaissance, and yung shade na ginamit ko is yung Venetian Red. So, itatry kong mag-cut crease. Sana magawa ko ng tama. Same concealer pa din yung ginamit kong pang-prime. So, yung nilagyan ko ng concealer kanina, lalagyan ko naman ng shimmer para mas kumapit. And yung shimmer na ginamit ko is from J-Cut palette. And ito yung Beverly Hills 9021024 eyeshadow palette. And ipapakita ko na lang kung ano yung ginamit ko kasi walang name yung mga shades nito. So, yan na color pink. Yan. So, kumuha lang ako ulit ng Venetian Red. So, kukuha lang ako ulit ng Venetian Red na shade sa Modern Renaissance palette para lagyan ulit tong outer corner ko kasi parang medyo nawala nung paglagay ko ng shimmer. And para rin ma-blend yung dalawa. So, next, lalagyan ko naman nung first shade na nilagay ko sa eyes ko para lang ma-blend na sila lahat. So, para naman sa inner corner ng eyes ko, maglalagay ulit ako ng shimmer pero hindi na pink yung shade niya. Parang may pagka-champagne yung color niya. So, maglalagay na ako ng false eyelashes and I'm going to use this Wicked Beauty false eyelashes. And ito yung itsura niya. And ilalagay ko to off-cam kasi hindi ako marunong maglagay kaya kailangan ng concentration. So, nalagay ko na yung false eyelashes and next, magmamascara na ako. And yung gagamitin ko is itong Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift para lang dumikit yung falsies and yung lashes ko. So, I'll just do the same thing sa lower lashes ko. Maglalagay ako ng transition shade na nilagay ko kanina and Venetian red para naman dun sa outer corner ng lashes ko. I'm done with one eye and I'm going to do the other eye off cam, so I'll be right back. And we're done with the eyes. Iwa-wipe off ko na yung powder para matanggal din yung mga fallout. So I'm going to use a fluffy brush. For the bronzer, I'm going to use this butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. For the nose contour, I'm going to use this Vice Cosmetic Aura Contour and this is in the shade For Sure. Yung technique na gagawin ko, nakita ko sa TikTok, yun yung ginawa ni Nikki Tutorial. So, brinons niya muna or kinontour niya yung buong nose. Sana mag-work. And then using the same powder, yung translucent setting powder kanina, yun yung gagamitin natin. And then using this Weeko Contour Shader Brush, gagamitin ko ulit tong For Sure na shade. And then, ilaline ko na tong mga sides. And then, iwa-wipe ko na yung powder. And for the highlighter, gagamitin ko tong Becca. And for the highlighter, I'm going to use this Becca. And this is in the shade Champagne Pop. For the blush, I'm going to use this Bilena. Ito yung collaboration ni Kris Aquino. And this is in the shade Lasting Love. And for the lips, I'm going to use this BLK Cosmetics. And this is in the shade Hibiscus. And for the inner parts of my lips, I'm going to use this Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte. And this is in the shade Get Undressed. Munti ka na makalimutan ng ating kilay. And yung gagamitin ko is itong Vice Gandal Micro Brow. And this is in the shade Natural Brown. Niline ko lang yung brows ko using yung Vice Cosmetics. And then, I'm going to use a brow mascara from BLK Cosmetics. And this is in the shade... Walang shade. And I'm going to set it using this Fresh Formula Glow Boost. We're done with the look. Naglagay lang ako ng necklace, earrings, and rings para mas dagdag effect. Sayang kasi wala akong nabiling tattoo. So, comment down below kung ano pang makeup looks yung gusto nyong gawin ko. And that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe for more and see you when I see you. Goodbye for now. Bye!